Joe Evans. A pass left draws at Will Evans. O'n rheoli Bert ar ei frest. O, syth at Connor Roberts. Cyfle eiraidd fyna i Will Evans. Emyn Lewis. Colli meddiant ac yn ennill i nôl. Yn gryf. Nawr mae Jordan Lamb. Cam i fewn i Cwp Cosby Medal. Gyda cyfle mae'n gosod i at Elliot Evans. Am gyfle. Pasio slick gan y Met. Matthew Jones yn cymryd hon yn gyflym. Just dros y trawst. A Will Fuller wrth y postyn. Gadael hwnna i fynd. Cyfle fach slei i Aberystwyth. Carter awr i fynd. Dan Spencer. Y flic gan Will Evans. At Elliot Evans mae'n disgyn. Gol wych gan Elliot Evans yn gorffen yn Bert. I'r gornel ucha. Syml oedd hi yn y diwedd. Richie Ricketts, yr eilydd. Ond derbyn y bêl nôl. Mlaen at Mark Williams yn syrthio at Jeff Kellaway! Oedd ar y postyn a mewn! O fewn munud yma Aberystwyth wedi unioni'r sgôr. A Richie Ricketts, yr eilydd ifanc, yn dechrau o'r cefn. Jeff Kellaway, y profiadol, yn gorffen yn y cwrt. Ryan Edwards a Joe Phillips. O, Joe Phillips yn neud yn wych i fynd o gwmpas i Jordan Lamb yn codi i fi dros Will Fuller. Jeff Kellaway ar y posib pella. O, mae fewn wedi gwyro. A Jeff Kellaway, Aberystwyth ar y blaen. Wel, ar ôl bod gol tu ôl, a Met yn dominyddu meddiant yn rheoli'r gêm. Mae Aberystwyth yn edrych fel bod nhw am ddwy nod.
Oedd hi'n gêm sydd wedi sent gyllu mynd y ddau ffordd, a wedyn nhw sgorio efo 20 munud i fynd a chwarae teg i'r ogia. Cymeriad i ddod yn ôl, a 2 gol ardderchog i gipio'r 3 points.
Always nice to be back on the football pitch, love the dugouts, and it's important for me to be back for my own self. What happened. I'm better, I feel better now for it. However, obviously when you have frustrating days like today, it just takes the edge off things.
On the game itself, you dominated possessions for large parts of it. Did you think your performance deserved a better result?
I think so. I think the performance for 85 minutes was outstanding, totally ball dominant, worked the opposition very well. But we've just got this real problem at the moment by leaking silly goals. And the opposition are making us pay for that, and that's what happens when you play in a quality league as we do. But the boys, I thought, were outstanding the way they played, and probably Aberystwyth weren't in the game. But I'd rather be not in the game and win 2-1 than be in the game and lose 2-1. So it's a frustrating afternoon, but we'll be better for the experience. We always will. And at some point, we've got to get our season back on track, and there's no harder place and better places in TNS next Saturday.